Okay, so for anybody that doesn't know how to do a machine update, I've just turned my machine on and I have a machine that's connected to Wi-Fi. And it's telling me here there's an update available. So if I select that, and then it says the version is 1.41 and the new version is 1.51. Latest version available in the server, cannot operate for a few minutes until the update is complete. So I just select update and wait for the machine to process the update. You'll see a blue bar appearing along the bottom. That's going to show you the progress of the machine. So now it's saying saving the update file, do not turn main power off, please wait a few minutes. Okay, so I think that's done now. It's come back to the brother sign. So I'm just going to select the screen, say OK, and that appears to be done.